Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to the Harry Sir Academy, and friends, it is my 71 day of 75 hard days English challenge. And friends, today I'm going to start my first step to read book. But before reading book, I want to share with you something. So friends, today I'm going to give you some benefits of trying to speak English in front of mirror. So friends, there are lots of benefits try to speak English in front of mirror. The first one is confidence. Friends, if you have lack of confidence and you want to build your confidence, you must try to speak English in front of mirror, because you can build your confidence and you will come to know that about your confidence. And friends, the second thing is that make eye contact. Friends, whenever you are going to deliver your story and your speech and you are going to give your presentation, and if you don't know how to make eye contact in front of people, you know that it is very weak point of your personality. And when you try to speak English in front of mirror, you will come to know about that how to make eye contact in yourself. After that, you can make eye contact in front of public. And friends, the third thing is that expression. Friends, for sharing any story and for delivering any speech, we must have a good expression with every single word. And friends, when you try to speak English in front of mirror, you can improve your expression. And friends, the fourth thing is that body language. Do you know friends, body language plays important role in our personality. And when you try to speak English in front of mirror, you will come to know that what type of body language I have and you can improve. And friends, I am assuring you, when you try to speak English in front of mirror, you will get remarkable changes in your personality. Marked by occasional successes and temporary failures, I have traveled, lived and worked in more than 90 countries, learning French, German and Spanish along the way and working in 22 different fields as the result of inexperience and sometimes sheer stupidity. Friends, I have completed my first step to read newspaper for 1 hour, and while reading newspaper I got lots of new words, and after completing my reading, now I want to share with you something. So friends, first of all, I would like to ask you, do you speak English? Okay. Do you speak two languages? Friends, if you speak two languages, it means you are called bilingual person. And friends, bilingual, it's a one word substitution, and the meaning is a person who speaks two languages. We can say in Hindi, एक ऐसा इंसान जो दो भाषाएं बोलना जानता हो या जो दो भाषाएं बोलता हो. For example, I am bilingual because I speak Hindi and English. We can work together and show the world that an Indian and a Pakistani, they can work together and achieve their goal of children's rights. Friends, I have done my second step to listen video for 1 hour, and while listening video I got lots of new words, and after completing my listening, now I want to share with you something. So do you know friends, what is this? This is notebook, and I am going to give you some vocabulary related to notebook. So do you know friends, when we don't cover the notebook, and after that the pages of notebooks became like this. Do you know what is called these pages in English? Friends, we can say in English dog-eared. Friends, how we can use this word in example? Friends, for example, the entire pages of your notebook became dog-eared. Get them covered. Friends, I have completed my reading and listening for 1 hour, and while reading newspaper I got lots of new words, and after completing my reading and listening, now I want to share with you something. So do you know friends, today I am going to share with you the benefits of writing. And friends, as you all of think that writing is a very boring thing, but do you know friends, when you read newspaper and when you read newspaper and when you listen any author's video, any speaker's video, that time you will get lots of new words as I share with you every day. But do you know, when you get some new words, you don't know about the actual meaning of these words. What will you do? Definitely you will search on the any online platform like Google. And do you know friends, when you search the meaning of these words, you can use these words in your speaking. It will help you to have conversation with your friends, to have GD with your batchmates. And friends, when you get the meaning of these words, do you know you can make the example of these words. And friends, when you make example, it will improve your writing and it will improve your capacity of thinking and it will improve to know about the meaning of those words. And friends, I have been making example more than 71 days. And friends, I got lots of changes in my writing and lots of changes in my speaking. Before that, I didn't have any single words of speaking English. And right now, I have lots of words and I can use these words in my speaking. Friends, I have completed my third step of writing and right now I am going to complete my fourth step of speaking English. To speak on the topic is how does the book change our mindset? So friends, there are lots of ways by which book change our mindset. So friends, reading books is very good habit. If you include this habit in your life, you can learn lots of things by reading books. And friends, books are fountainhead of knowledge. There are immense knowledge in the books. And friends, if you read psychology related books, you can learn about the human nature. And friends, books can teach us lots of things, like if you are reading any business related books and any work related books, you can put your ideas in your work by reading books. And friends, the third one is confidence and discipline. Friends, to get in our life anything, to get our goal, we should have a discipline and we should have confidence. If you read books, you will learn how to be disciplined for our work and for our goal. And friends, if you want to learn what type of hard work we have to do to accomplish our goal, if you read lots of great people book, you will come to know that what type of hard work they did in their life. You will learn from their autobiography. They are persevere for their dream and you will learn these type of things from the books. And friends, if you want to be disciplined for your work, you must know what type of book you need to read. These are some benefits you can learn from the books, and by reading books you can implement these type of things in your life and you will accomplish your goal and you will accomplish your dream. Friends, today I have completed my all tasks to read Bhagavad Gita, and today what I learned from Bhagavad Gita that I want to share with you, and that is bowing is the sign of humility, but bowing after losing your self-respect is like losing yourself. Friends, today I have completed my 71 day of 75 hard days English challenge, and friends, if you like our work, please support us to like the video, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. And friends, bye bye, we will meet in next session.